students, today we see the 9th standard mathematics unit 1 set language. Set definition. A set is a well defined collection of objects. The objects of a set are called its members or elements. Okay. Now we see the one example for the set. Example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the A set. In the A set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called the elements of the set A. Now we count the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many elements? 5 elements. So 5 elements. So it is well defined. Okay. Next we see the union. Next we see the union symbol. In Z language, we put like this. This we call as the union. Okay. What is union? Union means we have to write all the elements in both sets, but only one condition: don't write the repeated elements. Okay. We see the one example for union. Example: A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then B equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we want to find the A union B. A union B equal to, first we write the A set of elements 1, 2, 3, then 4, and then 5. And then we put the union symbol, and then we write the B set of elements 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write the B set of elements. So what is A union B? A union B means we have to write all the elements in both the set, but only one condition is don't write the repeated elements. Okay, so we write all the elements. So first we write the A set of elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. We go to the B set. Here is also 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 are repeated elements. So don't write the repeated elements. You leave the 4 and 5, and then we write the remaining elements 6 and then 7. So A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next we see the intersection. Intersection symbol. Okay. This is the symbol for intersection. So what is intersection? Intersection means we have to write the common elements in both the sets. Okay. We see the one example for intersection. Okay. Example: A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we take the P. P set P equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We want to find the A intersection B. So first we write the A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then put the intersection symbol. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. I already told intersection means common elements. So you see here you are having the 1, but here you are not having the 1. So don't write the 1. And then here you are having the 2. Here is you not having the 2. So don't write the 2 also. Here you are having the 3. Here is also you are having, you don't have the 3. So don't write the 3. And then you see the 4. Here you are having 4. Here is also you are having the 4. So A intersection B equal to, so write the common. Common is here is also 4, here is also 4. So write the 4. And then you see here you having 5, here you having 5. So 5 is common in both the sets. So you write the 5 also. And then you see here 6. Here you having 6, but here you is not having 6, so don't write it. And then here you having 7. Here you is not having 7, so don't write the 7. Only the common element here is 4 and 5. So A intersection B equal to 4 and 5. Next we see the commutative property for any two sets A and B. The first property, A union B equal to B union A. The second property, A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Next we see the one example. Okay, if A equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so two sets are given. Verify. First question, A union B equal to B union A. Then second question, A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Okay, so first we solve the first sum. A union B equal to B union A. First we take the left hand side, L, H, S. So A union B. Okay, before that we write the A set of elements. So A equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then we take the LHS. First A union B. A union B. Okay. So first A set of elements we have to write here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4. And then we write the B set of elements. So here you have the union symbol. So you put the union symbol. And then B set of elements is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, then 7. So we want to find the A union B. Okay, I already told what is A union B. A union B means we have to write all the set of elements, but only one condition, don't write the repeated elements. Okay, so A union B equal to, first we write the A set of elements. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to the B. Here 3 and 4 are repeated elements. So don't write the repeated elements here. You leave the 3 and 4. Remaining you have to write. So 5, 6, 7. Okay. So A union B equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This we take as the first equation. Okay. Next RHS. RHS B union A. B union A equal to, what is B set of elements? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then you put the union symbol. What is A set of elements? 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4. What is B union A? Union means we have to write all the elements in both sides, but only one condition, don't write the repeated elements. Okay, so right here first B set of elements. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then here you have to write the 0, 1, 2. Don't write the 3 and 4 because 3 and 4 is already been right. So don't write the 3 and 4. Okay. Now you see here, this we take as the second equation. Okay. So we compare the first equation and second equation. So here you having 0, here you having the 0. Here you having the 1, here you having the 1. So here you having the 2, here you having the 2. Here you having the 3, you having the 3. Here 4, here 4. Here you having the 5, here you having the 5. Here you having the 6, here you having the 6. Here you having the 7, here you having the 7. So you compare that first and second equation both are equal. Therefore, left hand side from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, left hand side equal to right hand side. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, A union B equal to B union A is verified. Okay. Next we see the second sum. A intersection B equal to B intersection A. So first we write the A set of elements A equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So first we take the left hand side. Left hand side. Okay. What is the left hand side? A intersection B. So A intersection B equal to first A set of the elements. So 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4. Next, we put the intersection symbol. Then we write the B set of elements 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I already told what is intersection. Intersection means common element. Okay. So what is the common element here? You are having the 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are the common element in both sets. So A intersection B equal to 3, 4. The remaining elements are not the common elements here. Only common element is 3 and then 4. 3 and 4 are the common elements. So this we take as the first equation. Okay, next we go to the RHS. RHS equal to B intersection A. Okay. So what is B set of elements? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then put the intersection symbol, and then you have to write the A set of elements 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. I already told what is the intersection. Intersection means common elements. So what is the common element here? You see here. Here 3. Here is also 3 common element. And then here you are having the 4. Here you are having the 4. So 3 and 4 are the common elements. So we write the 3 and 4. So B intersection A equal to 3 and 4. This we take as the second equation. Okay. So from first and second equation, left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. A intersection B equal to B intersection A is verified. Okay, next we see the example. If A equal to -1, 0, 1, 2, B equal to -3, 0, 2, 3, C equal to 0, 1, 3, 4. So verify. First question, A union B union C equal to A union B union C. And then second question, A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Next we solution. We take the first question. A union B union C equal to A union B union C. Okay, so first what are all given? Given is A equal to -1, 0, then 1, 2, then B equal to -3, 0, 2, and then 3. Then C equal to so 0, 1, 3, then 4. Okay, so first we take the left hand side. So LHS A union B union C. In maths we saw first within the bracket first. So we take the A B union C. So B union C equal to first we put the B set of elements -3, 0, 2, and then 3. Next you put the union symbol. then we write the C set of elements. So 0, 1, 3, 4. So we write the B union C. Okay. So B union C equal to -3, 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So B union C equal to, we have to write the -3 and then write the 0, and then here 0 is repeating. Here is also coming, here is also coming. So don't write the 0 and then write the 1. Here you are having the 1, so write the 1. Here you are having the 2, so write the 2. Here is also 3, here is also 3. So don't write the 3 two times, write only one time. So write the 3 and then remaining is 4. So B union C equal to -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next we find the A union B union C equal to, what is the A set of element? A is -1, 0, 1, and then 2. Put the union symbol, union. What is, already we find the B union C. What is B union C is -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay, so we find the A union B union C. Okay, so we write here -1. First we write the A set of elements, -1, 0, and then -1 you write the -3 here, -3, and then you write the 0, and then 1, and then you write 2, you write the 3, and then 4. Okay, so A union B union C equal to -1, -3, 0 is 2 times repeating, so don't write the 0 again, you write only one time. Here is also 1 is 2 times repeating, so don't write the 2 times, write only one time. 2 is also 2 times repeating, so don't write the 2 times, you write only one time. And remaining 3 and 4, so write 3 and 4. So this is A union B union C. This we take as the first equation. Okay, next we go to the RHS. RHS, what is the RHS? A union B union C. Okay, so already we know within bracket we solve the first, so we take the A union B. So A union B equal to A union B equal to, first we write the A set of elements. What is A? -1, 0, 1, and then 2. Put the union symbol. What is B? -3, 0, 2, and then 3. We find the A union B. So A union B equal to, first we write -1, and then here you are having the -3, so write the -3, and then 0. 0 is 2 times repeating, so don't write 2 times, write only one time 0, and then 1, 2. 2 here is also, so you write only one time, and then as 3. Write the 3. This is A union B. Next we go to A union B union C. We already find A union B is -1, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then put the union symbol. What is C set of elements? 0, 1, 3, 4. Okay. So again we have to write the union. I have told union means don't write the repeated elements. Okay, we have to write all the elements in both sides. So we write -1, -3, 0 is repeating, so don't write, and then 1 is repeating, and then you have to write only one time. So 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. Okay, so here -1, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 is coming, so don't write again. Okay, so this we take as the second equation. Okay, you compare the first and second equation. Here is -1, here is also -1, here is minus 3, there is also minus 3. Here you are having 0, here you are having 0, here you are having the 1, here you are having the 1, here you are having 2, 3, 4, here you are having the 2, 3, 4. So from first and second equation, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, A union B union C equal to A union B union C is true. Okay, next second question. A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. So A equal to minus 1 0 1 2. A said B equal to minus 3 0 2 3. B said C equal to 0 1 3 4. C said. So first we take the LHS. A intersection B intersection C. So already we know in maths we saw within the bracket first. So we take the B intersection C. So B intersection C equal to we write the B set first minus 3 0 2 and then 3. Then put the intersection symbol and then we write the C set 0 1 3 then 4. I already told intersection means we have to write only the common elements. So what are the common elements here? 0 and then 3. Here 0, here 3. So P intersection C equal to 0, 3. Okay. Next we find the A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So A intersection B intersection C equal to, so we write here 0, 3. First we write the A set of elements. A is minus 1 0 1 2 and then put the intersection symbol. Then we write the B intersection C is we already find 0, 3. So 0, 3 we put it. So again intersection symbol. So intersection means we have to write only common element. So what is the common element here? 0. Here you are having the 0. Here you are having the 0. Only 0 is the common element. Remaining elements are not common. So we write only 0. This we take as the first equation. Okay. Next we go to the RHS side. Okay. So RHS equal to A intersection B intersection C. So first already you know in maths, first we take the within the bracket first. So we take the A intersection B first. So A intersection B equal to, we write the A set of elements minus 1 0 1 then 2 is the intersection symbol. What is B set of elements? Minus 3 0 2 and then 3. So intersection means already we know the common elements in both the sets. What are the common elements here? 0, here is also 0 and then 2, here is also 2. So the common elements is 0, 2. Okay. Next we go to the A intersection B and then intersection C. Already we find that A intersection B is 0, 2. We put as it is and then put the intersection symbol. What is the C? C is 0 1 3 4. Okay. So again intersection symbol. Intersection means common elements in both the sets. What are the common elements here? Only 0 is the common element. So we put the 0. Okay. So A intersection B intersection C equal to 0. Okay. This we take as the second equation. Okay. So from 1 and 2 LHS equal to RHS. Therefore A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C is true. Okay students, We will see in the next class.